Hi Atlanta Dance Central. Today I'm going to be taking you through our high bun hair tutorial for recitals. So here is the list of things you will need. You can pause and take a picture, screenshot, so that you have your supplies that you need. So we'll start by brushing out the hair and getting rid of any parting that we have. So kind of just brushing it straight back towards the head and beginning to form a high ponytail. That's how this bun's going to start. So that's our first step. For our high ponytail, the place where we're aiming for is kind of the crown of the head. So to find that, you can follow the line from the point of their chin underneath their ears and kind of draw an imaginary line up to the top of their head. That sounds kind of weird, but that you can kind of see where I'm going for here. And then once you have it nice and smooth, you can go ahead and wrap your ponytail holder around it. Then we're going to brush out the ponytail, making sure it's nice and smooth and tightening it up. And then we'll go in with some hairspray and a boar bristle brush to really make sure that it's nice and smooth and everything is slicked back. So use as much hairspray as you need. If you have a lot of baby hairs, you could go in with a little bit of hair gel. That's a great way too. Alyssa didn't have too many baby hairs, so we just used some hairspray to slick everything back. And don't be afraid to use your hands or your brush. And then I had her kind of hold her ponytail forward so that I could do the back of her head too. Don't forget to do the back. So that's finished up our ponytail, and then we're going to start to form our bun. So there's two ways you can do this. First, I'm going to show you just kind of the basic way, and then if you have a bun maker, I'll show you that after. So optional to have a bun maker. This is how I like to do my buns without a bun maker. So I start by twisting the ponytail, and then once it starts to kind of coil up on itself, you're going to follow that coil and begin to wrap it up into a bun, twisting as you go and making sure to get it nice and tight and close to the head. So then once we have that formed, we're going to take our hair pins, not bobby pins. Those will not work as well. So we want to use hairpins. I recommend the Bunhead brand because they're nice and big and strong, and you can reuse them again and again. So when I do my pins, we're going to go north, east, south, and west, and then you're going to go in again and do northeast, northwest, all the way around, right? So it should only take 8 pins if you have a nice tight bun, but sometimes we need more. So to do the pins, I like to take them flat and kind of go towards the head with the point of it, and then kind of curve under and scoop in as I push it into the bun. So you can see that here. I go towards the head and then I scoop under to push it in. And that's really going to anchor the bun and keep it nice and close to your head. Then we're going to go in with a hairnet, and you want to make sure that this matches the color of your dancer's hair. And we're going to just wrap that around the bun and then twist and wrap and twist and wrap until there's no more hairnet left. And if you need to secure that, we didn't need to secure it, so we just left it as is. But if you need to, you can always take some extra hairpins or a hair tie and put that around the hairnet. So now we're going to show you how to use the bun maker. This is the little bun donut. So you'll just go back to your ponytail here. And either of these buns are acceptable. You can do your bun either way. So we're just wanted to make sure we showed you both. So you put that around the base of the ponytail, and then you spread the hair around. They kind of have to look down towards the floor to do this. And then you want to pinch the hair down and put another hair tie around the bun maker. And then there you go. You can kind of smooth it out as needed. And then we have all this extra hair, so we're going to take that and pull it down. Yeah, just making sure it's perfect here. Yep. And then pull it down, smooth it out. And then we're going to wrap that around the base of the bun. If you're having a hard time making a nice bun, because maybe your dancer has thinner hair or maybe less hair, a bun maker is a really great way to kind of get extra volume in their bun. So then we're taking the hairpins, same hairpins, and instead of going flat towards the head, this time we're kind of laying them so that the hairpin is stacked onto the head like this. There we go, you can see it there. And then just pushing it straight into the bun to hold on the ends of the hair that we wrapped around. So again, we're gonna do north, south, east, and west, and then we're gonna stop there and add our hairnet for this version. So again, same thing, wrapping that hairnet around, twisting, and then wrapping again until you're out of hairnet. And then after we finish putting the hairnet on, we're gonna go in and do all of the corners of the bun, so the northeast, the northwest, southeast, southwest, going into those corners and pinning on that hairnet, just to make sure it doesn't pop off, because we have that extra volume of the bun maker, so sometimes the hairnet can slip off the hair more easily in this version. So that's why we do it this way. And then you can finish up by taking some extra hairspray if you need it, and just kind of smoothing everything out, making sure it's nice and perfect. And then I'll just show you how to do our hair accessories. So that's for the left side of the head, and then if your costume sheet tells you to put it on the front, we want to think like Minnie Mouse, having that bow right on the front of the head. So it kind of just depends on your hair accessory. But here's our finished product.